So what I've done here is wrong. Is yeah, guys. Yeah, today I think my mic is working very, 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 very fine. So once I plug it, is going on, and I set the Zoom to record automatically. Unlike some of the days when I forget uh, to record, but today everything is going very well. So, guys, I saw that on the last meeting, we were struggling because of those boys. They are not used to teach, you see. So they don't know how to set the things. They don't know tools to use to teach, you understand? They're just using a phone and the other one is using a computer. So the things looks unprofessional, you understand? They look unprofessional. So I said because of like he hosted a lot of people from the free groups from everywhere. So I said because of like there are some of the information that they were sharing, but those information were not professionally or you were not understanding. Something like when we're talking about the fake breakout, someone asked about the fake breakout and then said how to spot the fake breakout, you understand? So the fake breakout can come in many ways, I'm very, very sure you can see my screen. If you don't understand nothing on this Zoom meeting, you just hit the you just type. Don't open the mic and say you can ask. You just type. I will see your message pop in there, and then I'll answer your question. Understand? So only I allow you to not type if you are not good in typing. Understand? It's where I can say, okay, you can do what you can record or you can open the mic. So let's talk about fake breakouts. You understand? So when you're talking about fake breakouts, it's where we are including the risk management. The risk management, like we are including the risk management. You understand? So when the fake breakouts happen, and some of the times, like if you want to see the fake breakout, for now, if I don't analyze, I can't see the fake breakout. I can't see the entry level. Let's say here we know, okay, this is the first touch here. Let me show you. This is the first touch. Ne? This is the first touch, and then this is the second touch. And you can see over here, this is the candles. Let me just show you perfectly the way it happens, how it happens. Let me take my keyboard, because if I don't use this keyboard, it will be a problem. And that's just my why there is a meeting that is telling me about. Okay. So here's my first touch. Here is my first touch. And then I wanted to put this line here, perfect. You see, on top of the spike. And look at the first touch. When I put this is my first touch. And then what is going to happen in your head? Let me put it here so that the TikTok people can see. So what is going to happen in your head since I told you about the resistance and support? You're going to say, okay, because of now you put it a line, this black line. You will say, because of I put it this black line here, means the market will be doing what? Will be selling exactly here. You understand? So market doesn't sell exactly here. Market doesn't know about the trend lines or anything. You say, okay, because of here is where you put it the trend line, and then now you see or the market is on that position where you are going to sell. You understand? So the market won't sell exactly on this level. You understand? Look at what happened here. The market went up and then do what? And then go above that line you draw, at least a little bit. That's why we act the risk management. You understand? This video will be recorded and it will go to YouTube before the end of the day, I think. So here is where you act your risk management. You understand? This is a fake breakout. Yes, it's a fake breakout. You understand? This is a fake breakout because of this market was looking like it's going up, but at the end of the day, the market started to go down. You understand? It's a big breakout. So let's go on let me show you on the drawings, because of like some of you can't even understand what I'm talking about when I say the fake breakout. Okay, this is, let me go to the clear chart. This is the market. This is the market. It was moving, it was moving, it was moving like this. And then you come with your what? You come with your lines and say, hi, this is my trend line. This is my trend line. Where's the toolbox come out? Toolbox. This is my trend line. This is your trend line, and you are finding the support and resistance. You understand? You find the support and resistance on this market. You understand? These black lines are support and resistance of yours. These ones are the fake breakouts. You understand? You call them the fake breakouts because of they no longer take the same direction. The same. Let me show you with proper drawings, because of this one here is Matata fella. Okay, let me draw like this and like this. So I want to show you a real fake breakout. Let me do like this from here to here, and then back here. And then let me do like this. This. I want to show you a real big breakout. Né? And then this thing happened like this again. Understand? When this happens, it happens like this. I want to show you the things that are performing. The what? The fake breakout. These are the candles. These are the candles that performed the fake breakout. This is the candles that performed the fake breakout. You understand? These ones. Let's say when the market does like this, this is a fake breakout because of this is not in the what? It's not respecting what is happening all this time. You understand? This is a fake breakout here. Because of like when the market is respecting like this, what it makes you to blow an account? It makes you blow an account. I agree. Remember when the market go out of the breakout, it's gonna go for a long or it's gonna go for further. Like it's not gonna be consolidating anymore around here. It will consolidate far away from here. You understand? It will make a trend that is going up, 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 or down, 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 down. So this is we call it a trend. You understand? You think maybe the market is gonna do a what? The market is gonna do a trend, and you find out the market doesn't make a trend. The market was just going a little bit up. You understand? Here you're gonna do what? You're gonna buy because of on this market of a trend. It's where we're growing the smaller accounts, where we catch the move so easily, where a lot of things like we are making money from this trend. So when you see the trend like this that is coming to happen, you're gonna do what? Someone is keeping on drawing our screen in here. Please, please, please don't touch your screen. So here we see, okay, the market was going up, and then when you enter with a buy, the market doesn't go up like the way you said, okay, the market will be going up. The market, when you pressed the buy, it started to go down. And when it goes down, it goes back straight and then do the same thing that was happening before. You understand? It's starting to respect your resistance and then even your support. You understand? The market didn't break out. So it's a fake breakout. That is a fake breakout. That's how I explain the fake breakout. So now I want to be on the real chart. If you want to know about the fake breakout, it's just that on my strategy part 1, I didn't show you how to see the fake breakout part. I'm sorry for that. I didn't know other people, they don't know about that, but all of the things are there in there on that video. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be on the chart and show you what is happening daily basis. You understand? I hear someone told me, yeah, I see this NAS 100, USD, gold, and everything. These markets are going the same. It's just that they are just different a little bit. So that person means he see the light on this thing because of he's talking the truth. All these markets, Bitcoin, stock markets, the market of whatever, the retails markets, USD, Euro, whatever it is, volatility hundreds, they are going the same. There is no difference in there. It's just that the difference is is small things only. You understand? It's just small things. So now I'm going to show you how the market is trending. You understand? How the market is going now. You understand? So I'm going to show you this, and I'm going to start from scratch. As I told you guys on the TikTok, what I'm going to be showing you, how do I analyze. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use a trend line. You understand? Why I don't use a trend line? Because of the market, the whole market of 24, this 30 minutes, let me go to 24. Here I can use the trend line still. You understand? Why? Because of the market is showing me that the market hit the what? Now it's on the support, and I have to do what? I have to sell here. You understand? So I can't be using the trend line on this 24 hours time frame. So now the market is clearly telling me what the market will be going down. The trend line won't be important because of it won't work on anything on this time frame because of the market now is selling. You understand? So now I have to find the support and resistance. Remember, let me tell you something. Let me open this this thing, and I want you to understand clearly when I'm saying that now. You understand? Now we are saying we are on the 24 hours time frame, guys. That's why always people they become surprised why this guy can take something like $10 to $100 or $1,000 holding. Is because of the market. The bigger time frame is telling you. Just imagine now, if I say, okay, every candle is going to be released after each and every 24 hours. If I know which candle will be the next one, the red or the green, what I'm going to do, again, now I'm going to risk the candle. And what I'm going to risk right now, I'm going to risk the green candle here. I'm going to risk the green candle from here to here. This is my risk. We are not saying we are going to trade it or we are going to make money from. We're saying risk. Even when you lost, you know what you were risking. You were not going to make money or do anything. This is our risk. This is my risk. I'm saying, okay, now because of I'm going to risk the green candle, means I'm going to buy and hold for 24 hours. I will be holding the buy. You understand? For 24 hours, I will be holding the buy. This is the risk management. The risk management at the same time, and spotting the long direction. You understand? When I say I'm going to risk this buy, let me tell you, on the demo account, what you're gonna do. What you're gonna do on the demo account, you're gonna say, okay, you're gonna analyze on this time frame and see, okay, this time frame is telling me about the candle that will be released is a buy. You understand? What you're gonna do on them, you can just press buy even if you closed your eyes. You understand? Anytime you can just press and then say, I am buying. Why? Because of you have maybe $3,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 or $100,000. That's one. It will do what? It will work for you. The demo account will work for you. You will buy, and then the spike. Let's talk about the spike. The spike. When you see the spike like this, it's not just a spike in here. It means on the lower time frame. This is means on the lower time frame. This is a what? This is a sell. No. This means on the lower time frame, it's a sell. You understand? That's how it is. Now, if I say, okay, I'm going to take a buy. What does that mean? That means I'm going to take a buy, and I'm going to be using my risk management so that this candle, if it goes down for the whole day, it will cover my what? My balance, you understand? So now I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to take buy on the what? On the smaller, on the bigger time frame. This is my buy. And then I go, I don't buy. I'm saying I'm going to take a buy. I'm not making an entry. I'm saying, okay, I'm going to risk a buy in here. And then I'm going to 4 hours time frame. As I told you, on the other time frame, the spike is telling us that the market is selling. What is going on here? It's a sell. You understand? Let me even do like this so that you can understand properly. Look at why I put this line, horizontal line. It's where the market started to give us the red candle and then going down. And then when we go to the 4 hours time frame, it's not where I wanted here. It's not where I wanted. I wanted it on this one, on this spike, on the last candle. Last candle, I put a spike on top of the 1 hour, on top of 24 hours time frame. I'm going to put a line, you understand? When I put the line, let me put it properly. Yeah, I go to 24 hours. I want to show you what I'm talking about when I'm saying the market is selling on the other time frame, on the smaller time frame. You understand? You look at here where the market started to trend. It's still on the spikes. If I go, I will be going back. You'll see this is a chart. It's a candles that are coming and then touch here and then go down like this. You understand? Why I'm taking a what? Let me say, okay, on the 24 hours I showed you, or I'm going to risk a buy. You understand? Okay, now on here, what I can say, I'm going to agree. On the 24 hours is where you choose the direction that will go for a long. And then when you go to the smaller time frame, it's where you can put even your stop loss. Just imagine for me, I put a stop loss on the what? On the 4 hours time frame. Do you think when I use my calculator, if I say, okay, this is my stop loss, you think this thing, it won't blow my account? It will blow up my account from here to here. I'm sure for $50, even 0.001, it will blow. Even with $100, it will blow account right here, because of this 24 hours time frame. Means we still looking for other candles. Like, let me show you the example. When we're going up from here, look at the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, more than 10 candles was going up. Means it's more than, maybe we times 4 hours by 10. You understand? 4 hours by 10. These people, we times 4 hours by 10. So means even when we are going down, it's gonna be the same. You understand? We're gonna take more than maybe 8 hours. You understand? So that's how it is. Yeah, these kids are problems. So now I'm going to another time frame, maybe 1 hour time frame. I'm going to 1 hour time frame. When I'm going to 1 hour time frame, what do I see? I still see a trend that is showing me that the market is still going up like this. You understand? The market is going up, down, and up. You understand? So I'm still risking this until where? Until here. This is where I said we're going to put our stop loss, our TP, remember. You understand? So this is where I said we're going to put our TP, and still we didn't hit our TP yet. You understand? So when I say this thing, means here we're still going to risk this space and say, because of the market will be passing this space, like this. Because of the market is still going to pass this space and then do what? The market is going to pass this space and then touch here. Means you can still buy right now until to this space. But still, you are still in the 1 hour time frame. You still need to analyze and see where you have to make your entry, because of your lose. That $2 of yours that you were supposed to be doing what? You were supposed to maybe blow an account, and then you cut and say, hey, this $2, let me just leave it. And then you want to grow it. You can't just grow it with the bigger time frame. You have to go to the smaller time frame and see. You understand? If it's possible, you have to go even to 1 minute time frame, because of other people, they will be telling you, hi, you can't be analyzing 1 minute time frame. They don't know what they're talking about. They don't know how to trade. Why it is there? Why there is a 1 minute time frame? Even the 30-second time frame is there. Even the 1 second time frame is there. So people, they don't know what they are talking about. So now a lot of people, I don't mean all of the people. So now I can see what I see on the 30 minutes time frame and 1 hour time frame. They are likely the same. So I have to zoom out this. I have to zoom in. I don't know if it's zoom in or zoom out. So here is where I'm going to find where I can put my stop loss and my TP. But here, this one is still big. I want to give you a signal. But I don't know, because of I have to open a WhatsApp first. I want to give you a signal. You still saw on the bigger time frame, it was telling us the buy. This language is the same from 24 hours until to the what? Until to the maybe 30 minutes. Why I say we're gonna take profit here? We're gonna take profit here because of this is the part where it's going to break out, going up or break start to go down, because of the market of the 24 hours is on the what? Is on the resistance, where the market will be doing what? Where the market will be consolidating. You understand? So that's why last time I told them, we don't hold for a long. I remember when I used to give them I give them two signals. After this signal was another signal. So when you are busy analyzing, stop looking for the entry or thinking maybe you can enter before you can analyze. I guess sometimes when you open the chart, you can say, hey, this thing, it looks nice and it shows, or this thing is going up like this. When you start by buying, but you didn't do your risk management or whatever it is. So where I put a stop loss, like me, where I put a stop loss is I put a stop loss where the market started to go up. You can see this market was going up from here. It was going up. You understand? This is where I put a stop loss and say, okay, this market, if it goes up down like this and pass through this, means this wasn't a what? Wasn't a buy. It was a sell. You understand? Because of it started to go down. You understand? So if the market keep on going up like this until to this point, means the market was still buying. But for now, I can say, okay, you have to buy where? Let me put a red line. So you can buy now on 1125,645. So let me send a signal on the group chat. Let me send a signal on the group chat. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I'm done sharing the things in there. You understand? I'm done sharing a signal. On the red line is where you're gonna be buying. On the black line is where you're going to put a stop loss. Let's go to I'm on the 15 minutes time frame, and then we go to the what? We go to, and make sure you calculate. Make sure you calculate. Fully like you calculate. Now, so I'm going to calculate my risk to see how much I'm gonna be losing or how much I'm risking. You understand? Or this thing you are doing it to not blow the account, to not blow the account. A lot of you just keep on just search Vindi Forex synthetic. Let's say Vindi FX calculator, you'll see the calculator. Or say vindiforex.co.za, you'll see this calculator of indices. This is the volatility 75. So my entry is on 112564 comma this thing 5 comma 51, and the stop loss is on 1105297 comma 19, and then the TP is on the, let me say 11377.5,60, and then the lot size is 0, we start by lot size of 0,001. You understand? So now what I see, the 0,001 lot size with this analysis or the stop loss and take profit on the entry level, it is telling me that you are going to lose, your reward is $18. You understand? I mean, your risk is $20. Agree? For the TP, I just wanted it to do what? To just give me the numbers. For the TP, I didn't give a TP for now. So you are going to lose $20. So because of $20 is too much, let me show you. You adjust your what? You adjust your stop loss. I think here it's gonna be, yeah, right here. Stop loss must be on 111,198, ne? And then 61,70. Yeah, the stop loss must be here. So means you are risking $5. Let me go and change it on my WhatsApp so that people can lose $5 than losing $20. People, they don't have this big account. So the stop loss SL was small. This account H 111986 70. Yeah. So I changed the stop loss, and then now it's for the small accounts. Understand? I did it for the small accounts to be safe. That's how it is. So let me guide you now. Ne? Let me start to guide you about the entry level. Now you see we entered for a what? For a buy. And you see the market is starting to go down. It's starting to, you don't close. You don't close. You don't lose nothing until it hit your stop loss. Because of why? Now you close. What if you close and then it doesn't hit your stop loss, it start to go up? You understand? It means you're in loss. You understand? So you don't close until you hit the stop loss. You accept the risk that you are risking. You are not here to just taste the things. You are here to risk. So you don't close anything, guys. You don't close until it hit your what? Your stop loss. Either you are going to lose or what? Unless you see, oh, okay, I have $20 account and now I'm risking how much? I'm risking $5. So what makes you to worry because of you left with $15? So you don't have to close. Even me, I do like this until it hit my stop loss. If I said, okay, this is gonna be a buy, it's a buy. Until it hit my stop loss, because of I can't blow the account, I will lose what I said I wanna lose. You understand? So people, they keep on closing the entries, saying, I was losing, and don't put more entries. Even if you put more entries, just know Just know the what, just know the calculation, or how many, maybe it's $5, means if you put 4 entries, it means you're gonna be losing $20. You understand? No more blowing account. You don't blow account. You use the calculator for indices. For pairs, I'll look for that calculator. I don't know when, because of a lot of time I don't trade pairs. I trade NAS100 and volatility 75. You don't lose nothing. That's what I can tell you. It's when you're saying, okay, I accept a risk. But if you keep on losing, you're not gonna make it. So there is this other thing before the Zoom meeting is ending, guys. When we say you lock the profit, you know, people, they don't know how to lock the profit, guys. Let me show you. The night you don't lock the profit, you are just closing the trade. The way you lock the profit, you are just closing the trade. You don't lock profit. So agree, this is your stop loss. This is your stop loss. And then when is your stop loss? Let's say the entry level. Let's say you entered here where I said it's a what? It's a stop loss. Ne? Then you're going to say, okay, you entered here. Don't put the stop loss near the where the market is moving. Put it far, like, I don't know. Let me draw again. I know you don't understand what I'm saying. This is your entry level. This is the market. Let me show you the market. This is the market, was going like this. And then when you entered here, you cashed the market, you understand? Where there is a blue line is a stop, it's a entry level. And then this is coming to be your stop loss, you understand? This is coming to be your stop loss. Your stop loss, I agree you are looking the profit. Now you are in the what? You are in profit. So you have to lock the profit. Don't put your stop loss here. Hey Joe, you can't put your stop loss here. It's like you are closing the trade already. Put your stop loss here. I agree when you are afraid. You put it here. This is a profit, this one. This here. Put it here. Right here. Just put it here. Blue. Yeah, here. Here. You understand? This is where you must put your stop loss. Don't tell me it's far. Hey, you can't get a good profit. Hey. So if you don't, it's too far. Just close the trades. Don't put a, what do we call? Don't lock the profit. If you think it's too far, you're not gonna be getting a profit. This is wrong here. This is not where to put a what? A stop loss or locking a profit. This is distance. The market can hit anytime soon here. You understand? So you have to put it right here, down there, down the stairs, far away. So I think this thing is about to hit there. I have to update. I will update when it hits the stop loss. So put your stop loss here, not here, near this thing. Yeah, it hit the stop loss here. So that the market can breathe. Even if it wasn't going to lose, it's going to go up like this, so that the market can breathe. Because of when you put it here, the market can't even breathe. It will just hit and then you are out. You understand? That's why most of the people, when we take in the long trade, they don't do what? They don't survive, or they don't succeed with those long trades. It's because of they put the stop loss right there. Let me update them. This one, small out. And then which one is left? Yeah, the one that is left is here, because of the market can breathe here. Agree, you see this one is out. And then here, there was a stop loss. I said the stop loss must be here. So this one, the market can breathe and can end up not hitting the point, you understand? And then go up, you understand? So that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how I trade. That's how I trade. So I put my stop loss far away from where I'm doing. Because like I'm risking a lot of money. I'm risking a lot of money, but not all money. When we say a lot of money, we don't talk about the whole account. When I say a lot of money, someone think about maybe 10,000 or 20,000. No, I'm not talking about even 1,000. I'm talking about maybe $20, $10, $5. You understand? So I make sure, or I'm using 0.001 if that account is too small. 0.001. You understand? So if 0.001 from here to here is $20, means I'm risking $20. You understand? So for a person or an account that doesn't have $20, you can't take this trade. That's why I put it here. And here you are out for your $20. You lost $5. Maybe you left with $5. You are going to do what? You are going to trade again. That's how the forex work. We don't say you're not gonna lose. Hey, dear boy, it's gonna be tough. You're gonna lose, but we make sure you don't lose the whole money. You understand? You make sure you don't lose the whole money. And if you can see, the market, I don't think the market will ever touch this thing again because of, you see, this is a trend. That's how I was telling you how the things are moving. You understand? This is a trend. The first one, second one, the third one. On the VIP, they know what I'm talking about because of, like, I do one thing each and every day. Each and every day, one thing. Each and every day, one thing. And you can't tell me that you don't understand. All the videos that you see on my YouTube channel is the same thing. It's just that now you can see I'm giving a signal live. I don't give signal after this class. I'm giving signal live and tell you, oh, okay, this is your stop loss, this is your entry level and everything. And you can see the market going this way same time right now. You understand? Unlike when I'm teaching you and showing you this chart and say, yeah, when it comes to this point, you sell because of it will go down. Hey, it's easy because of it's already going, it's already down most. It is already printed that it went down. You understand? Master, unless you are drawing the screen. So now someone will be teaching you, when it comes to this point, you sell, and here you buy. Because of it's already happened. Yes, I can say so because of it's already happened. So I have to come here and show you, guys, this is our strategy. We work like this, you understand? We work like this. When it comes to this point, exactly this point, we buy. You understand? Until this point. When it comes to this point, we're going to sell. But already I showed you now what we're going to do exactly. You understand? So as you can see, or it just hit our small account stop loss, and then now it's going up. So this one is still safe. You see here, it was a safe, it was a safe place for us. You understand? Even now, I don't put those stop losses. I tell myself, oh, this account must blow. It's not important. It must blow. It's $10 because of, like, I just took, maybe I have $100 in my bank account or in my account in my pocket. I just said, okay, I'm taking $10 to put on the forex, and then I'm risking that. If it blows, and then I will come back tomorrow and fund again and blow if I blow. You understand? So that's how I trade. That's how I deal with what I deal with emotions. Because of, if you come here with last month, hey, you're gonna cry like a baby. Every time when you see a loss, you are about to close the trade. Every time when you see, like, the market doesn't go your way, you're about to close everything. You understand? Because of you are worrying about, hey, I will left with nothing. So don't come here with the last breath. Here we come with at least 3 chances to make it. So try at least 3 times in yan. You will see, all right, it's not working. Unlike just coming here and then hit once, you are done. Grocery, dololo, everything, dololo. You see? So that's how it works. And I don't change direction and say, this thing, because of it was selling, I'm selling. I said the thing is gonna buy, and I have to buy.